All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, taking a look at True here. We're on the 3-day chart with True. A couple things to watch for. You're currently at 3 cents with True. I couldn't really see anything on the 4-hour, the daily, the 6-hour. So I decided to come over here to the 3-day chart. Something to point out back here in May and June, you had this bullish divergence on the RSI. So you can see the price did bounce at this price level. This is where you got stuck here and here recently. This is where you bounced and this thing moved higher. And it actually, if you would have got in on that candle right there, about an 80% move higher on True here. So we have a little bit of divergence again, as you can see here on the RSI. We are down here on this fib at support at the 1618028. Currently at 30. So if we hold here and we bounce, you can see I do have two purple lines drawn on here. These are going to be your first two price targets to watch. So if you bounce here and you move higher, you're looking at a potential 6% move up to come up here to 3.2. If you can get past 3.2, then I would say this right here is definitely on the table for about a 45% move up here to 0.43, 0.42. So a potential 45% move on True if you bounce and hold 2.8 here. If you hold this 2 cent area and break over 3.2, then you're potentially going to come up here and make a move kind of like you did back here where you came up and hit resistance again, and then you fell off the table. So we came up, came down, hit resistance. Maybe we're going to bounce here, come up here, hit resistance one more time, and then fall off the table. So that's what you potentially have to look forward to on True here. For a downside move, you can see that if we lose this 2 cent area, then the bottom is actually going to fall out of this thing, and you're looking at a 90% drop on TRU-Fi here, down here to 0.002 at this 2618 support down here. So this is a very critical price to hold for True. If you lose this 2 cent area, like I said, it's going to get really ugly. So we do have divergence here. Once you see the volume spike in, like it did back here, off of this divergence, you can see that's when we started to move up. So just watch the volume. If the volume starts to come in, then we're potentially bouncing here, and then we'll watch these two price targets there. So there's a potential to move up before we finally fall off the table on True here. If we switch over, we look at the Heikin-Ashi still trending down. We'll switch to the daily chart to see what it's telling us. Here on the daily, you can see that the downtrend is getting weaker. So potential bounce is in store for TRU-Fi here on the 3-day chart. So I would watch those couple of prices there. Not sure how high it's going to bounce, but according to this 3-day chart, a potential 45% move up here to this 4342 area on True. So just watch this 0.2 high 2 cent area. As long as you hold that, we have some volume come in, there's a high potential that this thing is going to have a little bounce before it falls off. So I'll leave it at that. Just watch those couple of prices there. And with that said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.